Grifform Innovation shower units can be fully configured to work perfectly with your space. Our solid surface shower pans have a large range of customizable options to be stylized and utilized however you may need. Choose to add on solid surface shower walls, which make the perfect shower wall material because they are grout-free, easy to maintain, and do not harbor bacteria or molds. Select from our many different shower caddy options, shelf options, and grab bar options. Each option can be requested in all the same material and color, or in different colors. Solid surfaces have a range of different benefits which make them a very attractive shower unit material. If you can imagine it, we probably have or can create it. We bring your design to life with solid surfaces.